Okay, so this is from a lot of people, a group of people. Sukanya Bhumika Ifrar, if I have said it correctly. Anvesha, Alakhya, brackets Alex. And all of you guys are from Gurgaon. First you mentioned Delhi, then you scribbled it, then you said Gurgaon. So thank you so much for sending your love across from Gurgaon. Let's see what you guys have in store. Firstly, nice cute letter. Message from all of you guys, Alekhya to be precise. She's called Alex too. So Alex, I don't want to call you Alex because Alex is someone else. Yeah. How sweet. कहाँ है और थैंक यू आप सभी को मेरे लिए शॉपिंग करने के लिए और चॉकलेट्स देने के लिए. Dude, this t-shirt reminds me of Fargo. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you, for sending me these lovely t-shirts and some chocolates. Cadbury. Thank you, all of you. I will definitely read out your message, which is here. Okay. Ankita Arora, मैं आपको जानता हूँ, आप कोलकाता से. You keep sending me gifts and love, so thank you so much again. Whoa. So Ankita, you have attached a lot of chocolates in your message. Fill your life with more and more sweetness. Trust me, I've had lots of sweetness in my life. I'm close to being a diabetic person, so yes, don't even wish to me being sweet in that term. So yeah, thank you. It's very sweet of you, Ankita. Very creative of you. Ankita? Thank you, Ankita. ये मुझे चाहिए था. Thank you so much for sending your love across. अरे वाह, it's something different. Thank you, Ankita, for sending your love across all the time, not only this time, but I know that you send a lot of love. I definitely should be able to meet you in Kolkata. I don't know if I've met you already, but I would love to meet you again. So please, thank you. Keep sharing all your love. ये किससे है? किससे? Keep sharing all your love. And thank you for making my birthday so special. Whoa. Looks nice. इसको मैं ऊपर रख सकता हूँ ना? ठीक है. मिर्ची लाइट्स. स्मार्ट निकली थी अंकिता. तुम्हें पता है मुझे क्या चाहिए. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. थैंक यू अंकिता. थैंक यू सो मच.
This is from Vasudha Delhi.
Okay, hi Vasudha, Rupali again from Chandigarh, Fiza, Jeda, KSA. KSA. Thank you so much. ये अलग कलर मिल गया. Yes. और एक है. So yeah, Three Musketeers, and you've sent some 6 smileys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is from Priyal UK.
Okay, hi Priyal. Thank you for sending chocolates. Hopefully they're not melted. Nice shirt. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Priyal. Thank you, Priyal. Thank you for sending a love across from all the way from UK. Hopefully, I should be able to meet you over there. Lot of hopes, actually.
Gayatri, Andhra Pradesh.
Hi, Gayatri. आंध्रा. अरे वाह, आपने कुछ क्रिएटिव चीज़ बनाई. It's very sweet. Thank you. Very nicely done. Happy Mother's Day. How sweet. How sweet, Gayatri. Thank you so much. Whoa. So you have to spread turmeric powder over this to see your message. Okay. It's a nice way to play games. Yes, I'll do that. Thank you so much, Gayatri, for sending a love across from Andhra.
This is Rachel, Mumbai.
Rachel.
Rachel, Mumbai.
Hi, Rachel. It's been a long time since I've met you. Hopefully, hope you're doing good. Yeah, we'll catch up soon. Send a lot of goodies. So, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rachel, for sending this tie across. Open this after segment. So after segment, I'll open it. Thank you, Rachel. We'll definitely catch up soon in Mumbai.
This is from Disha Chatterjee and Sunny Chatterjee.
Okay, Disha and Sunny, thank you. Thank you for sending your love across. San Francisco. Interesting. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, both of you. You're the reason I smile. May you have the happiest birthday ever. How sweet. Thank you.
This is from Vidya Chinnan.
Hey Vidya. Thank you so much, Vidya. Thank you for being a perfect idol for me. You guys inspire me. Yeah. You guys give a lot of 3 years of idolizing Parth Sultan. Means a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Hopefully, people like me, lots of people. There should be a lot of people like me to inspire you guys. So, thank you so much, Vidya. Thank you. Means us a lot.
This is Tejal Barve
Hi, Tejal.
from Pune.
Pune. You send me nice chocolates. A nice t-shirt. So thank you. Thank you so much. We'll catch up in Pune soon.
Sara Fatima from Hyderabad.
Okay, hi Sarah. Hi Sarah from Hyderabad. So hold on. So sweet. Thank you so much.
This is Sanskriti and Tanya Jaipur.
From Sanskriti and Tanya. Jaipur is one place that I need to visit this year. So, yes, I will meet you guys over there because I'll be coming for sure this year to Jaipur. So, thank you so much for sending love across.
This is
Both of you.
Harshada Nayak.
Okay, Harshada Nayak. Harshada Nayak. Oh, sweet. Thank you, Harshada.
ये एल्बम कब रिलीज है?
15-20 को. ये भी खोल दे. Okay, this is from Devjani Chakraborty, Mumbai. Kinshul Goyal, Punjab. Soni Dodapanini, Vizag. Vipasha Tiwari, Uttarakhand. How sweet. Parthians. Thank you so much. These guys have taken a lot of efforts to make this. I can see that. How sweet. How sweet. You know, this inspires you a lot because although it's been a long time since I've worked, since I've been there in front on television, be it for film, it's been a long time. I will be coming this year for sure. So yes, but yes, it's surprising and it's a happy feeling that you guys are still, you know, stuck and there and you haven't given up on me. So thank you so much. It inspires, yeah, it inspires me a lot.
Pooja Sharma, Raipur.
Okay, hey Pooja. I think you've sent some love. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much for sending love across.
Himachal.
Okay. Himaja. Interesting name. How sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much, Himaja. हिमाजा कहाँ से है?
Hyderabad.
Okay. Himaja, thank you for sending so much of love from Hyderabad. Means a lot. And thank you for making my birthday so special. Thank you. Thank you.
Nikita from Pune.
Huh?
Nikita from Pune.
Okay. Hi, Nikita. Nikita, no?
Nikita.
Hi, Nikita. Yes. This is one thing that I was missing. Ferrari watch this year. And you fulfilled that. So thank you so much. Thank you, Nikita. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Thank you, Nikita.
Ayman and Visha.
Okay, this is from Ayman and Disha. Kirti College, Dadar. Amchi, Mumbai. Arey वाह, very nice. You guys are too creative. वो आपने तो एक proper batch size यही बना दिया. Written a lot of songs. So thank you so much. "100 Reasons Why You Guys Love Me." It's very sweet of you. Very sweet.
Diksha from Mangalore.
Okay, Viksha from Mangalore. Thank you. Thank you.
Smita Delhi. Mangalore.
Okay, this is from Delhi, but no name has been mentioned over here. Housecast Village. Please mention your name. There are 3 t-shirts in this. There's no name, please mention, because I don't know who I have to thank. And although you can message me on social media, so I thank you for sending a love. There you go. Thank you.
Nidhi.
Hmm?
This is from Nidhi. Jokar.
Okay, Nidhi. Thank you, Nidhi. She's from Mumbai. It's happy birthday time for you. Wishing you only the best time and the best of everything on your birthday. And always, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nidhi. And you've made these wonderful portraits. Means a lot. God bless you.
Shweta. Shweta from Hyderabad.
Shweta from Hyderabad. Okay, Shweta, it seems you're a writer, and I think I've met you in Hyderabad. Okay. Thank you so much for sending your love. You've written a lot, and I know you're a writer. So I will definitely catch up with you, get in touch with you, and send lots of love across. Even the clothes, for that matter. आ गया वापस. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for sending a love across. That it means a lot. We'll catch up soon in Hyderabad.
तनीषा सुबह ये हो गया है इसका
हाँ.
रोल ये है तनीषा सुबह फ्रॉम शिलोंग
Okay. Tanisha from Shillong. Hi Tanisha. Send me nice t-shirt. हो गया?
तनीषा का वो
You always shine like a star because you are a rock star. Thank you. Tanisha Subhash, Shillong, Meghalaya. It's pretty far, yaar. I wonder how you guys have sent, and thank you so much. And it makes you feel good that you get love from all over the country, also from the eastern part. So thank you so much. Thank you.
दिस इज फ्रॉम माधवी भाटिया पुणे
Okay, hi Madhuri. Thank you, Madhvi and Rishmika, soul sisters. How sweet. Thank you, both of you. Thank you for giving me this cute Ganeshji. Yes, it is. खाने की खुशबू आ रही है. भाई तूने केक तो खाया नहीं? शांत. क्या बोलूँगा मैं? ऑफ कैमरा भी नहीं बोलूँगा. अरे वाह. Very sweet. Please do wear it. Hope you like it. I will definitely wear it. Madhvi. Thank you. Thank you, Madhvi. Thank you so much.
पलक गांधी फ्रॉम इटारसी एमपी
Okay, Palak, I know that we have met, and because I know your name. You keep sending me lots of love, so thank you so much. So एक मस्ती का पिटारा है, इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको देखने को मिलेंगी. And yeah, so it's very creative of you, Palak, as always. I think I'm able to wrap it back. I think I should be able to. इतना तो मुझे आना ही चाहिए. This is हाँ. Okay. Oh yes, मैं कर सकता हूँ. Thank you Palak for being so creative. So basically you're giving me 25 reasons or 26 reasons to, right? Thank you so much. You're very creative, yeah, Palak. It's a task. Whew. Done. काफ़ी मस्ती आई इसमें. Thank you so much. Thank you Palak. You've been very creative and I loved it. You've taken so much of efforts. Peacefully I'll see it once. Yes, next.
This is Kavita from Dubai.
Hi Kavita from Dubai. And you've given me nice headphones. Yes. Thank you so much. I like white chocolate. Yeah. Nice. Thank you so much for sending a love across. Birthday wish. Thank you. Good luck, Parth. Thank you for the bouquet, Sania. Finally, इतनी बार thank you बोल चुका हूँ. So this was for the bouquet. Overall, tiring for me, for Rakesh to open all the stuff together, and just kidding. But yes, thank you for sending so much of love across for on my birthday. This is April, and although it's been a month post my birthday, I genuinely feel that yes, you guys are so active. You guys are so truly active. I mean, I'm not that active as you guys are. So hats off to you guys, and thank you so much for sending so much of love, so many gifts, be it accessories, be it cards, be it gadgets, be it t-shirts, clothes, be it anything, and you guys just rule. That's what I can say. So thank you so much, and thank you Rakesh for sending all this love across, because he takes a lot of efforts of gathering all the gifts and makes sure it reaches my house, it makes sure it reaches me, so that I'm able to open it very safely. So he takes care of it. So I think you guys should give a big thank you to him as well. So because I thank him a lot, he's been there like a dear brother for me. So thank you,
Always.
thank you so much.